VR team Cassia Mavericks and our project MATRI, short for Multimodal Artificial Intelligence for Astronauts Interactions, is a smart, empathetic AI assistant designed to support astronauts emotionally and physically during long space missions. Astronauts spend months in isolation, facing loneliness, anxiety, and lack of real time medical help due to communication delays with Earth. Our solution Mathri is an AI powered wellness companion that understands astronaut emotionally and physically. It uses voice, facial, and biometric analysis to detect stress, anxiety, or fatigue in real time. Mathri then responds empathetically like a supportive friend, offering comfort, relaxation tips, or motivational talk. It also tracks vitals through onboard cameras and ISRO wearables, generating health summaries for mission control while keeping all personal data private. Even during communication blackouts, Mathri works offline, ensuring astronauts always have emotional and physical support no matter how far they are from Earth. What makes Mathri stand out is its deep personalization. It learns from astronauts' unique emotional patterns and communicates in a warm, human like manner using expressive avatars, voice emotion, and multilingual abilities. Mathri integrates multiple layers AI chatbot layer, empathetic, human like interactions using tools like PyTorch and DeepFace, data integration, which connects ISRO variables for real time vitals, backend that learns and stores pattern using fast API and federated learning, dashboard that will visualize astronaut well-being using React and Plotly, security. AES-256 encryption ensures privacy and reliability of Mathri. Mathri is lightweighted. It works offline using edge computing and adapts to each astronaut's emotion over time. The main challenges include data privacy, system updates in space, and keeping the AI's responses authentic. We use homomorphic encryption to protect data, autonomous update systems, and continuous learning to keep Mathri reliable throughout long missions. Mathri supports astronauts during communication blackouts, tracks emotional and physical well being, detects distress early, and even helps them decompress mentally after returning to Earth. Mathri can literally save missions by preventing mental breakdowns, maintaining crew focus, and ensuring peak performance. It also marks a milestone in AI's ability to provide emotional, not just functional support. Mathri's impact goes beyond space. Socially, it reduces stigma around mental health and promotes emotional care. Psychologically, it's always there providing empathy 24 into 7. Technologically, it showcases India's strength in emotion AI and edge computing. Operationally, it seamlessly integrates with ISRO's system. Sustainably, it supports long missions with minimal external help. In short, Mathri ensures astronauts don't just survive in space, they thrive. This is the research and the reference for our model. We took reference from multiple datasets from different surveys like Diana and COVID-19 pandemic to train our model. Thank you.